In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reference tasks to other projects in Asana. This is a very handy feature that can help you manage your projects more efficiently by seamlessly linking tasks across different project spaces, making collaboration and task tracking much easier. So, let's dive right in. First, you're going to want to remember the name of the task you intend to reference. This might sound simple, but having the exact name in mind will significantly streamline the process. It ensures that when you're searching for this task later, you can easily identify and select it without any confusion. Once you have the task name securely in your memory, the next step is to navigate to the project where you want to make this reference. This is your opportunity to think strategically about where this reference will be most effective. Whether you're updating a project plan, adding information to a specific task, or directing team members to relevant resources, pinpointing the right spot is crucial. Now, within this new project, you have a lot of flexibility. You can choose to make this reference within the description of a task, a comment on a task, or essentially any text field that exists within your Asana workspace. Think about the context and how the reference will be used. Is it part of a series of instructions? Is it a note for collaborators? Choose the location that makes the most sense for your workflow and communication needs. To create the reference, you'll start by typing the @ symbol. This is the key trigger for Asana to begin searching within your workspace. Following the @ symbol, you should begin typing the name of the task you want to reference. As you type, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu is a list generated by Asana that shows potential matches based on your input. Once you see the task name you've been holding in your mind, go ahead and select it from this list. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully created a reference within your project. This reference isn't just a static link, it's interactive. Now, whenever you click on this reference, you will be directly redirected to the task you selected. This feature makes it incredibly easy to jump between tasks and projects, maintaining a cohesive flow in your project management. Taking a few moments to set up these references can save you and your team a lot of time and confusion down the road, helping to keep everyone on the same page and ensuring that all crucial information is just a click away. So, integrate this into your routine and enjoy a more streamlined, interconnected project management experience with Asana. Happy organizing!